In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a flowchart in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect for project managers, developers, scrum masters, or anyone who wants to visually explain workflows directly inside Jira or Confluence without switching tools. By the end of this video, you'll be able to install Draw.io, add a diagram to a Jira task, and customize a flowchart easily. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your Jira dashboard. Make sure you're logged in to the Jira workspace where you want to create your flowchart. Once Jira loads, look at the top navigation bar and click on the More option. This opens additional settings and tools available for your workspace. From the drop-down menu, click on Apps. This will take you to the Atlassian marketplace, where you can find apps that integrate directly with Jira and Confluence. In the search bar, type Draw.io and press Enter. Look for Draw.io diagrams for Jira in the search results. Once you find it, click on the app to open its details page. Now click on the Install button to install Draw.io diagrams for Jira. Follow the on-screen instructions and wait for the installation to complete. This only takes a few moments. Once installed, the app will be available across your Jira projects. After installation, go back to your Jira project and click on My Teams, or navigate to the project where you want to add the flowchart. Open a task or issue where you want the diagram to appear. Inside the task, look for the Actions menu and click on it. From the drop-down options, select Add Draw.io diagram. This will open the Draw.io diagram creation window directly inside Jira. In the diagram template search box, type Flow to see available flowchart templates. Choose the flowchart style that best fits your process and click on it. Then click on Create to open the diagram editor. Now you can customize your flowchart. You can add shapes, connect steps, edit text, change colors, and rearrange elements to match your workflow. Take your time here and adjust the diagram as needed. Once you're happy with the flowchart, click Done or Submit to save it. Your Draw.io flowchart is now embedded directly inside your Jira task and can be viewed by your team. The same approach works in Confluence as well, making it easy to document processes and workflows visually. And that's it. You've successfully created a flowchart in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.